Hello everyone. So the topic for today's GD is should cricket be the national game of India? And who would like to start? Okay. So like national game, it is all about that national game is all about that it shows that religion of a particular country and all, and the culture, the birth of any sports, or like the country has a long history, that kind of thing. uh, uh, should be required for the national game and all. So it's all about the religion. It's not just a game. It's all about religion. Like mm, in our country, we people are very crazy for cricket and all, and we people do follow cricketers and cricket matches and all. But if we talk about any other sports and all, like football, hockey and all, so that craziness and fan following of cricket somewhere is responsible for the overshadowing of other sports and all. And uh, we hardly give a moment of thought for the sorry state of any other sports in our country. uh, so as we can see, that India has a long history with hockey, and India has won around 7 to 8 Olympic gold medals in hockey before independence, and representing India in hockey very well. But nowadays, the state of hockey is not good in our country, and even we can see in Olympics 2020, Tokyo 2020, like if it would not be the Odisha government, we would not be able to catch hockey in our we would not be able to get gold in hockey, get medal in hockey, because nowadays cricket has a good infrastructure, good funds. But if we talk about any other sports and all, they hardly get funds, and they hardly get the opportunity to uh, they hardly get funds and all. So they And also if we talk about support and the fan following, most of the people are following and showing their craziness up for that cricket sport, but not for the sports which has a long history in our country, and won that medal in Olympics and all for our country. And we can say, cricket is playing by very handful of countries, like very few countries play cricket and all. But if we talk about hockey, like it is a worldwide sport, and it has been played in various countries. So in that sport, India has represented it very well, and also won consecutively medals in that sport. That we can see, Major Dhyan Chand was uh, a famous one, because he has done great in hockey, Indian hockey team. So this is the case. But after 1990s and all, the people the people's craziness and then their interest got shifted towards cricket and all. But cricket is not a sport of our country. That it is about that Britishers and for England people who gave this sport to our country, and they teach us this sport to our country. So India is not from the very early point of time with our cricket and all. Yeah.
Actually, hockey is also originated in England. Hockey was also originated in England.
Yeah, yeah,
Both hockey and
originated.
cricket are of
But
British.
but if we talk about that history, which sport has a longer history in our country, then hockey must be the one.
Both have almost same history.
Yeah, you can say. But I feel like kabaddi, there are some facts which shows that kabaddi has originated from Tamil Nadu in India. And uh, um, football, so there are various sports. And there are some reports which also shows that chess has also originated from India and all. So there are some sports which are also from India. But making a cricket national sport of India, not just do benefit with the cricket and all, because they are under the BCCI, and they have funds and all, infrastructure, good infrastructure and all. But if we talk about other sports and all, then they hardly had funds and infrastructure. And if we talk and if we make a cricket as a national game, uh, there's a possibility that it may reduce the limelight of other sports and all, and that sport may overshadow other sports in our country. And every sports is doing better, and they are trying very hard to do some to get medals and all from our country. So that's the whole point I want to say. And uh, in my opinion, like cricket should not be the national game of India.
I'm totally agree with Mansi. Cricket should not be the national game of India. It's not just because that cricket is now famous nowadays. It's a time of every sports. Now in this era, cricket is very famous. In 19th century, hockey was very famous, and we just can't avoid the hockey's role in our before the freedom. The national of hockey is national game just because it's appealing performance for years and
Hockey is
attract a
not a
lot of
national
fans.
game.
Yeah, it's
Don't
not
have
a
a
national
national
game. I know it's not a national game, but we consider it as our national game.
Consider it, but Supreme Court does not consider it, and government do not
Yeah,
consider
yeah.
Yeah,
it.
it's not
Government of
written everywhere.
sports. Yeah.
It's not written anywhere that hockey is our national game, but we consider it as our national game. According to the law, we don't have any national games. So
And even our textbooks and all, we have been taught like hockey is our national game.
yeah,
Hockey is our national game.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. So in my point of view, national game should be that which identifies a country. So if we talk about the games, hockey is the only game which identifies our country, because we have a lot of medals in hockey as compared to cricket. Now it's era of cricket, so people are saying that we should make cricket as our national game, but it's we can say that enthusiasm. In as we say, national game carries some historic importance, and we definitely had a glorious performance hockey in the history, so, as compared to the to the world. So I'll support hockey. Hockey should be the national game. It's not just because of the interest nowadays. It's represent our country, and especially Major Dhyan Chand. We can't forget that great person who represented our country, who brought a lot of name for our country. So that's all about me. And plus one more point: if we make cricket as a national game, then it will hurt the sentiments of other players who are interested in other games. So that's what I say. Hockey is perfect for our world, India.
May I?
Yeah.
May I speak? Actually, I have to go, so I will speak and then I will go.
Yeah, please start, Nandini.
Good evening. My opinion in this is that the national game should be that in which the youngsters and the country is interested. It is not about that our history is attached with that, because if we will see, like, our history was to in religion it was Hinduism, but we are following secularism now. So it's about the demand of present time. And Sneha, you have said that in hockey we have more medals and achievements and then cricket. But if you remember, then in this time in Olympics, it was said that after 73 years that we have scored a medal in hockey. 43. I really don't remember. But after so many years, it was there. So in cricket, we know that in 2011 we have won the World Cup in 1983, and yes, Major Dhyan Chand was very important person. We will not forget him. But I think that the demand, what the people demand, is should be the national game. And one more thing, Sneha, you have said that okay, if cricket will be the national game, then the interest of other players in other games will become low. But if and nowadays hockey is our national game, but still we are interested in cricket. So it's not that if we will make any particular game, like a particular game a national game, then uh, it will reduce uh, the interest of other players in their games. So that's all what I want to say.
May I? Can we predict that the level of enthusiasm still the cricket will have after a few decades?
Yes.
No, at that time we can change the
So-
our national.
Is it so simple to change everything?
Now
a
it's
national
about
game.
it's hundreds year ago. After we are saying that around 70, 80 years, we are saying that. So it's about
So
our
you
interest.
want to say that we can change national game after decade or decade?
No, let it be. If we have interest and if we are interested in something, then government will be doing the same thing. Government will not doing the historical things or following the historical things. History is history. We have to focus on our past and present.
History is history. How can you say so easily history is history?
I have been history honor
Lot
student.
of people have done so
I'm
much
saying
things for
that.
you in the history. How can you say history is
But
history? You can't forget Major Dhyan Chand.
I really can't forget. And after 100 years, people will say we can't forget Kapil Dev and MS Dhoni. What you will
Yeah, we
say at
also
that?
can't forget them.
Yes.
But
actually,
that
we just
okay,
was having a
Nandini, do
media
you
debate.
That person
So
brought
please,
gold medal before the freedom.
person at a time. It is not a media debate.
Sorry.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yes.
My apologies.
okay? Devansh, you may continue.
Who want to say? Actually, I was saying because they are just. So continue. Who wants to continue?
Who wants to continue?
May I continue?
Yeah.
See, as you all said that these all are correct points that hockey should be our national game. As cricket has been taken from the history times, Britishers used to play cricket and we copied them, and we copied so many things from the Britishers. So, in my opinion, hockey should be our national game. And as of Divan said, that hockey is not the national game. It has also even taken from another country. It has copied from another country. So, but it's the government decision that if they were considering in future they will be considering another sport as a national game of the country. So sorry, I'm not able to express my opinion. Can somebody continue? Can I take some time for my structuring my opinion?
So my question is, why do we need a national game? Actually, we have history of cricket, hockey. Both have history. We have borrowed from England.
Yeah, I think
We
we
have World
don't
Cups
need
in
any
cricket.
national game. Yeah,
Yeah, we don't
we
need a
just
national
want to
game.
improve the infrastructure of every sport
Both
of
are
our
popular.
country. Yeah.
Like it was popular in 20th century, cricket is popular in 21st, and some other sport will be popular in 22nd. So why do we need a national game?
Because it represents
We have both borrowed from other countries like England. We borrowed hockey and cricket.
Because
we have
hockey
his-
represents our country.
No, it does not represent our country. We have borrowed
So
it
you're
from
saying,
Britishers.
Devansh, why we need a national game, but by this national game we can represent our country. How you are saying that?
We
why
are
we need a
representing our
national game?
country in every
We can
sport.
represent in every sport. So why do
We are
we need?
representing
We
our
need to
country by
focus
the
on
name of our
sports.
country.
We need to focus on sports to improve their infrastructure. We have to improve every sports in our country because we are
Like
lacking in
Devansh
sports.
said,
Devans, then why we
nowadays,
have
yes.
then why we have need the national language?
So that
As Hindi?
we can no, I have not said that we need Hindi as a national language. Why do we?
Yeah.
We need it. We can use English as a national language because it is spoken everywhere in the country. And we
Okay,
are
Devansh,
learning
can you tell
everywhere in the world.
your reason why you saying that why we need a national game? Can you tell a perfect reason that according to your opinion you are saying that why we need a national game? What's your reason on it? On what basis you are saying?
What is the requirement of a national game? You can tell.
Then what is the requirement of your grandparents in your family?
It is a weird.
Yeah.
It is
So as you can also question that why we need a national language, why we need a national bird, why we need a national animal.
this is
national
all the
language-
I
same
think
thing.
in my point of it's
We
becoming
need
a
national
debate now.
language so that we can communicate everywhere in the country.
So
We need
that's
one
why
language.
we that
We
from
need a
national
common
game we can
language.
represent our
Common
country.
language so that we can communicate in the country to the world. But what is the need of a game like hockey or a sport to be a national game?
See,
Because it
making
is
a-
our
making any
ancestral game.
Yeah,
Oh, how?
it's represent our history.
Yeah, but
We have
like,
history both in cricket and hockey. We have World Cups in cricket. We have medals in hockey.
we
but
have a
We
great history in
get medal
kabaddi
in
also.
1983.
We have 2011 World Cup. We have 2007 T20 World Cup. We have Champions Trophy. We have Under 19 World Cup.
But we
We
got
have many World Cups.
back-to-back gold
Yes.
medals in cricket.
So when we have won back-to-back gold medals in hockey, it was in 1950s.
But that represent our history.
So cricket is also history. Like in 2011, we have World Cup,
Devansh,
2013 Champions Trophy,
But-
as-
But
2015.
hockey plays a important
But
role.
Both have
See,
history.
like
Every
his-
sport
But we
has an
opted
history.
See, his-
cricket from British culture. It is not our culture.
Actually, hockey is also not our culture. We have adopted from British.
But
Both
it is our
games are
ancestral
from
game.
Britishers because they reigned over 200 years, ruled over us.
Devans, it is good to have a change, but I don't think it is right to. It is right. I don't think this is right change to do because consequences of this result will only
Change.
erect,
Hockey is not a national game. Hockey is not a national game according to government.
Yeah, we know hockey is not a national
know.
game, but
So
we
there is no
consider
change.
it as our national
Okay,
game.
okay,
When we
okay.
will make a
Devansh,
national game, then there.
Devansh,
but we
Are you-
considered
are you-
hockey as a national game.
Devansh, are you
See,
saying
it's not
cricket
a
should be the
debate, yeah.
national game?
No, I'm saying we don't need a national game.
Okay, are you not in a
Because
favor of like making national game of
No.
like for cricket? So hardly like cricket is now doing better from if we see the hockey has the longest history if we compare it with the cricket. So what's the point? Like, what do you want to explain?
Actually, both have history. We don't need a national game. My point is this.
See,
Both have history. Like we have a hockey history for 20 years. We consecutively win medals. Likewise, we have cricket history. We have
We have
World Cup.
we have a
Devansh, you were
kabaddi
saying
history
that
also
every
as well.
sport is we are representing India in every sport, in badminton, cricket, in every sport. You're saying. So can you answer me a question that as you're saying that we can represent ourselves in every sport. So why the countries like America and the other countries
They
are
have national games
not- are
based
having
on
national-
popularity. they have national games based on popularity and money. So if you are saying that we can make cricket as a national game because it is more popular, it has more money than hockey, it means that
Because it's a fan base, so it has more money. It's not the reason that it's had more money because of the fan base and the popularity.
it
It's
is
has
very
And
popular
Devang's
because
future can never known by anyone.
we can predict because for playing hockey we need a team of 11 players and we need hockey stick a complete ground, but for playing cricket we need only one bowler, one batsman, and
No,
one
but
small
making
plastic.
lot of
making
expenses
Can you
also
cricket as a
play
involved
with
in
national
only
game.
two
cricket
players?
also. I'm saying that a lot of expenses are involved in every sport, not in hockey, not in cricket. Every sport involves a lot of expenses.
For beginners it does not involve a lot of expenses in cricket.
No, I'm
Like
not
we
talking about the
can
winners. I'm talking about the Olympics, World Cups at that level.
Ishika, you
Yeah,
can say now.
I'm also with the Devansh. Seriously. Now I think that we don't need any national games because we are doing good in all games.
Yeah,
Just
that's
now,
what I was also
Neeraj Chopra
saying.
bring a gold medal in javelin throw. We are doing good in kabaddi.
Okay,
We
I
are
think
doing
we
good.
should
we are doing good in
we
hockey.
should give a chance to Ishika because she wants to say something. Ishika,
Yes,
you may
7 minutes.
continue.
First of all, you guys just arrived to that point where I want to say that we should assign no sports as a national game of India because it is peaceful that way, like listening to you guys debate like that. But I had like one point stuck in my mind that we should, if we had a chance, then we should assign a sport as a national game. Speaking of which, everyone could be reminded of India. Like if we say kabaddi, there are so many like people around in India. Like it needs strength first of all, and Indians, if we see, there are really good at kabaddi, and I really don't know. Like there was, I think it was in Olympics or in some very popular sports event, and it was after a couple of like a brief period of time, kabaddi was like not in that event played anymore because only India was the one who was winning all over that sports. So I think we should encourage that sport. We should bring light to that sport, which is not recognized in the society in much vogue than cricket and even hockey is. But still, Indians are good at it, but we cannot reflect ourselves to it because it is not in much vogue today. So I think if we have to assign a sport like that, then it should be kabaddi because Indians are really good at it, but still it has no fame worldwide. So yeah, that's my, and the second point is the same, that there should be no sports national game. So yeah, that's all.
Ishika, I was also agree. I am also agree with
agree.
your point like kabaddi is also doing great in our country and all, and also
Actually,
that
every sport has a
yeah,
particular period like
yeah.
purple patch
But
in which it
So
is
what
very
about
good.
the wrestling?
like, but why do we need a national game?
Yeah, we are
Yeah,
doing
why
it
do we need a
good in
national
all
game?
games. Wrestling, shooting, kabaddi, cricket,
But
hockey. We
can
are
you all
doing
tell
good
me
in all.
whoever is telling that why do we need a national game? Can you already tell me that the perfect reason on what basis you are saying?
Because
You
if
have a
we make
similar
any
reason.
particular game sport, national sport, then it may harm the popularity, craziness, and then limelightness of other sport. And then if we make a particular sport as a national game, then it may affect that the infrastructure and funds given to that particular sport, which is the national sport of India. And that sport which is not our a national sport, it may harm, it might get harmed.
But it is currently also harming. It is not
How is it
now
harming?
No,
that
there's
if
no
you
national
can
sport in
see
India.
that, see that if you
There's
can see
no-
that all over the India, hockey is our national game. In nowadays we consider, but cricket is getting more popularity. So
Now it's
how
getting
this
its
is-
charm back. Now it's getting its
Hockey is
charm
not
back.
a national game. We can say.
because
Yeah.
he's getting popularity. Why he's getting popularity? Because they have won the trophy.
It's getting popularity
Since
because
then,
cricket
yeah,
has
they
a
are
lot of
getting
tournaments.
popularity.
Lot of
It is
tournaments.
getting popularity because it has more money. Like
Yeah.
in the world, football is more popular because it
Nowadays-
has most amount of money.
Nowadays, cricketers are known for their money, not for the cricket.
Yeah. Like 700
Virat
crores.
Kohli is not doing
worth.
good in the cricket right now, but he had a lot of money.
You know, cricketers have a fan following, large fan following, and then
Yeah.
that even advertisement companies and all, they are hiring cricketers and all. So they
Endorsements.
are, because they have a large fan base. That's why.
Also, we have the richest cricket board in the world, BCCI.
And he has a private jet.
Sneha, you are saying that cricket, most of the players are not performing well. How can you say on what basis? Means you're nowadays you're seeing the matches.
Actually,
Can I
I'm
ask
not
you,
distracting
Dhruv,
from our
something?
topic.
Still, I know Virat
They are
Kohli is not
distracting
doing.
from our topic. Our topic
Dhruv.
was there should be a national game or
Dhruv,
not.
I think you should
Let-
give your
let-
opinion. Dhruv, I should give I want you know that you should give your opinion, like if you are in favor of making cricket as a national game or not. First, you
Yeah.
make your point clear, then we will discuss.
Make first. Very less time is left.
Mansi, can you increase the time?
It can't be increased. We need to purchase Zoom. Then
Yeah.
only it will be increased.
We can
I
do
would
one
have-
thing, we can join again, and then
We
Yeah.
can
both of the recordings I will
join
send in the group.
second meeting. So we can leave now because only 1.5 minutes left.
Once you end the meeting, then we'll join again.
End the meeting and we will join next.